The legend emerges from the dust, a forgotten 1954 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing. Carefully extracted, its journey back to glory begins. Beneath the dirt, the revolutionary space frame is revealed. The 3.0-liter straight six is removed for a complete overhaul. Removing the rot to make room for new metal. Precise welding restores the strength of the chassis. Every weld of the space frame is inspected for structural integrity. The first layer of protection, high-grade epoxy primer. Sanding for a mirror-smooth foundation. Stripping it down to the bare metal, revealing the true form. The engine is completely disassembled for a total rebuild. Ultrasonic waves remove decades of carbon buildup, restoring the cylinders to factory tolerances. The crankshaft is polished for maximum efficiency. New bearings ensure the engine runs smooth as silk. New pistons for renewed power. Torquing everything to exact factory specifications. The heart of the 300SL, the Bosch mechanical injection system. A coat of heat-resistant black paint for a factory look. The iconic intake runners, polished to perfection. Overhauling the gearbox for crisp, precise shifts. The rear differential is refreshed and ready for the road. Machining the fins of the legendary drum brakes. New lines ensure safety and reliability. Powder-coated springs for a lifetime of durability. Modern damping for a classic ride. Cleaning the massive fuel tank for long-distance cruising. Attaching the pressure kit now. Building pressure to test for leaks. The radiator is flushed and restored for optimal cooling. Building the surface for a flawless finish. Hand sanding every inch for laser straight panels. Finally, the return of the iconic silver aero metallic. The clear coat brings out the depth and shine. Wet sanding for a glass-like surface. Buffing to a showroom quality luster. A brand new wiring harness for modern reliability. Plumbing the fuel system with surgical precision. The new exhaust will give the Silver Arrow its voice. Mating the gearbox to the power of the straight six. Connecting the power to the wheels. The cooling system is fully integrated. The face of a legend, the three-pointed star, returns. Restoring the 300SL's distinctive gaze. Rear lights installed. Completing the exterior silhouette. Modern insulation for a quiet, comfortable cabin. The first layer of luxury, period-correct blue carpeting. The iconic blue plaid interior is meticulously recreated. Seats installed, the cockpit is taking shape. The distinctive ivory steering wheel restored to a brilliant shine. The dashboard returns, a masterclass in 1950s design. The tilt-away steering wheel, a functional work of art. Final interior details are being put into place. All right, steady now, lowering into the gasket. Looks good on the right, keep it level. Seating it now, pressing firmly. Perfect, release the suction cups. Adding the glass to the legendary doors. The wings are attached. The 300SL can finally fly. New seals to keep the cabin airtight. Perfectly aligned panels for a seamless look. The iconic side vents, a signature of the 300SL. The final exterior accessories are being mounted. The rare Rudge knockoff wheels, restored to a high shine. Period correct rubber for an authentic feel. Securing the wheels with the classic knockoff hammer. Okay, I'm pumping the pedal. Valve's open, bubbles coming out. Pressure's holding, keep it steady. It's clear. Closing the valve, solid now. The spark of life is returned. The first roar of the straight six in decades. Fine-tuning the fuel delivery for peak performance. All systems go, the lights are bright and clear. Precision alignment for world-class handling. Adjusting toe angle now. Final check on the rear. A final layer of protection and shine. Perfection in every corner of the engine bay. Crystal clear vision for the maiden voyage. From a rusted ruin to a factory new masterpiece. Perfection achieved. The sound of quality, the perfect door latch. Leaving the workshop, ready to conquer the road once more. The silver arrow in its natural habitat. The mechanical tactile feel of the 1950s. Performance that stands the test of time. A mirror to the world. A showstopper at any event. Recognized for the perfection of its restoration. A timeless beauty, day or night. Speed and elegance in perfect harmony. The 1954 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing, restored, preserved, perfect.